Well, I just want to make a bit of the different operating systems I've been using throughout the years. I'm not a believer of a single operating system. I like to test and to try different ones to see the advances, and well, let's start. It's not the operating system because it's fixed in RAM in the ROM of the machine, but the first machine I had was an Amstrad, a CPC. So the first operating system I used was the one for the Amstrad. This is a programming book. And then I passed to a PC box with MS-DOS, well, exactly DOS from Digital Research. At the time of launching, this was a very advanced operating system. It was very good. Then came the Windows 3.1 time, and then after trying Minix, I learned that Linux was the hope for the Unix lovers. I really like Unix, not only Linux. I love any kind of Unix, but this one my first serious distribution, in the times when there was no internet here in Spain and I had not even a modem. The only way to get Linux was from a 6-CD set that has a primitive Red Hat. It has Red Hat Linux 4.1 and then Slackware. And I think here came the Sunside CDs. So Sunside is a server with quite a lot of free software to download. So, well, I passed from DOS to MS-DOS, then Windows, then Linux. In the 90s, I used Linux at home mainly, and then it came Windows 98. Windows 98 as first edition. The second edition, I used the second edition for a while, programming Visual Basic mainly. Then the other branch, Amiga OS 3.5, who you can install in such a wonderful machine. And then the first Windows fiasco, Windows Millennium Edition. That's Vista version 0 for the bad press mainly. No one has used ever Windows Millennium Edition, so it's fun to have a copy here. And then a very good operating system from Microsoft, Windows XP. I think with Service Pack 3, this is quite a good operating system. A little vintage today. It has 6 or 7 years. It's getting old, or it's getting aged, as they can see. So this is still broadly used. This is a good operating system, but the quality of the packaging is declining, as you can see. Then I've got a copy of Solaris 7 Desktop for the Spark machines. You can see over there. It's not installed, but when I got some free time, I want to tinker with this. Then Ubuntu. There was a change in 2001 maybe, that I moved from Windows operating system to all Linux. I have been using Linux for a while, since 1994 or something. and I changed to the Ubuntu distro. This is the Ubuntu distro 5.04, and then after some years using only Linux, I've changed it to the Unix that now I love the most. That's Mac OS X, Mac OS 10. So this is the copy of Mac OS 10. This is Tiger, I think. This is from the MacBook of my wife. Yes, this is Mac OS 10. This is Tiger. This is Leopard. That comes with my MacBook Pro. So you can see the machine here, and in the floor is my last acquisition. This is the most modern operating system I've got now, Mac OS 10 Snow Leopard. Although I own other operating systems too, but with no boxes. Yes, OEM licenses like this one, Windows Vista Business. So as you can see, I've tried quite a bit of different operating systems, so I'm not a zealot of no one of these ones. I really had a good time with my Amstrad, and then in the MS-DOS era. Then I think the Amiga is fun and has been bad times using. I have bad times using Microsoft operating system until I've changed to Mac, and now I'm again a happy Unix user. So thanks for watching.